talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Opera app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on account down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here, click here on settings. So when you click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. You're scrolling down here until you will find here communications, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here product updates and news. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. Click on this sign here. We will go back, click on save changes, then it's going to save with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.